are watching Teka Philippines. Tara, samahan niyo ko for another staycation dito sa Makati. So guys, hi! Good morning. For today's video, tara samahan niyo ako. So we will be having another staycation here at Makati. So can you guess where? So it's along HV de la Costa. So nandito tayo ngayon sa One Pacific Place. So ito yung One Pacific Place na dadaanan ko to dati nung nag-work ako dito sa Makati. And lagi ko siya nakikita yung Strand Cafe. So dahil doon, nagkakaroon ako ng parang idea na, ano ba to? Bakit may parang coffee shop or restaurant within the parang building na to? Kasi akala ko nung una is more on the condo lang siya. Residence, parang ganun. So, they're also accepting din naman pala parang hotel booking or staycation booking sa Agoda. So, I booked this hotel sa Agoda for around 1,700 pesos a day. So we will be having a staycation for 2 days, or should I say 3 days and 2 nights. So ayun, so ang ano natin ngayon is lilibutin natin ang room, sasamahan nyo ako, and swimming pool. Not sure kung makapag-swimming ako kasi meron akong work. So yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon, nag-work lang. And then afterwards, samahan nyo ako kasi let's enjoy the moment. Let's feel the urban, or should I say the, city life. City life talaga. So, napapansin nyo naman guys, nakapag-staycation ako from time to time since work from home ako or I'm working remotely. So, working remotely helps me in terms of kahit saan nakapag-work ako, basta may internet tayo. So, dapat stable yung internet natin. Kasi minsan, syempre, hindi stable ang internet, mahirap mag-work pag ganun. And, syempre, mahirap mag-catch up sa mga kailangan natin follow up with our colleagues sa katrabaho natin. And what else? Ayun, so far yun lang naman. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's enjoy. This is staycation. Alam nyo naman yung mga ginagawa natin dito, laging more on staycation talaga. After mag-work, baka maglakad-lakad lang ako saglit dito within the Salcedo Park. Since, kung hindi nyo maitatanong, dito rin ako nag-work dati within the area, malapit lang dyan sa Salcedo. So, medyo familiar ako doon sa area. Ayun. So, and then, I just want to share with you guys also, since it's 2025 na, you should expect more collaborations to come, guys. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta and sa ating followers. Nagsimula ako nung pandemic. Actually, matagal na tong channel na to, pero yung sobrang naging aggressive ako somehow on content creation is during pandemic lang. And I'm thankful na umabot tayo sa ganitong subscribers. So maraming salamat po, and hopefully subaybayan nyo pa po ako sa ibang mga ganap ko sa buhay, hindi lang sa mga staycation vlogs natin. Maraming salamat po, and I'll see you later. So wala masyado nagsiswimming kasi hapon na. And patay na araw ngayon. Patay na araw means Monday ang check-in namin, kaya wala masyadong tao. So yun, pinakita ko na sa inyo quickly yung 6th floor. Sa 6th floor, makikita nyo dito yung swimming pool and yung garden area. So yun lang naman guys. Later on, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung breakfast naman nila during check-in natin. So meron silang pa-free breakfast, pero you can avail also their breakfast for around 495 pesos. So yun, ita-try natin yun later on. Alright guys, so kakatapos na ng meeting. Sige, share ko lang sa inyo yung aking naranasan. Naranasan talaga. Or yung maganap during our buffet breakfast. So earlier today, nakita nyo naman yung videos na pinakita ko dun sa buffet breakfast nila. So ang pangalan ng coffee shop nila or ng restaurant is The Strand Cafe. Onti lang yung selection nila eh. So yung buffet breakfast sums up around 495 pesos. So, inclusion na niya. Ayun, nakita nyo naman, may rice, may fried bangus, longganisa, chicken, may egg din naman, tapos may salad bar and pastry and breads na section. For the value of 495, I guess it's all good na, 'di ba? Pero if you're not a fan of those kind of meal during breakfast, I would suggest around the area, marami naman din bukas na restaurants and fast food chains. One of the nearest fast food chains that you can walk into is yung McDonald's. It's just 2 streets walk from One Pacific. And also meron din Jollibee, meron din ano pa tawag dito? Burger King. And also, meron din silang 7-Eleven convenience store. So, if you are not hungry, that, 'di ba? Kung gusto niyo lang snacks lang, ayun, meron din naman dito. So sobrang accessible siya sa mga kainan. So hindi kayo magugutom dito. In terms of the pasyalan, definitely ang pinakamalapit na pasyalan dito is yung Glorieta and Greenbelt. So if you're going to walk, it would be around 20 minutes walk in here. 20 minutes walk kasi kapag yung mabagal na facing lang. Pero kung mabilis sa facing mo is mga 15 minutes nandun ka na. Yun nga lang, madami kasi siyang dadaanan na underpass. Siguro last take na to, siguro overall experience ko dito sa One Pacific Place. First is siguro 3 items. First is the value for money kasi talagang sulit siya for us. Malaki yung room. Kita niyo naman yung room na pinakita ko during that time. So malaki siya, spacious siya. So good for 2 to 3 persons talaga to. You can request na one big bed or twin bed. And then yung comfort room, pwede na. Okay yung amoy ng body gel nila. So they're using body gel, guys, ha. Wala silang mga sabon na na pinamimigay dito. So usually nagko-conserve talaga sila. And what's good thing about it, secondly, is hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng water. So if you're not sensitive in terms of, 'di ba? Specified or specific water like still water, purified mineral, if you're not specific on the drink or the water that you are drinking right now, is meron silang tawag dito, dispenser outside the elevator. You can claim or you can get those water in para hindi na kayo bibili ng water kasi makaka-save kayo kasi isang water would na malaki na would cost around 40 to 100 pesos. Diba? At least dito libre na. So, di ba hindi na kayo may problema. What else? Thirdly, siguro, malinis. Malinis siya dito, actually. Malinis and yung staff napaka-friendly. And yun yung gusto ko yung pinaka-gusto ko. Na kahit simple lang yung room, pero parang talagang nafe-feel mo yun na talagang welcome ka dito sa place na to. So yun siguro yung nakikita kong pros dito sa pag-stay sa One Pacific Place. And yun lang naman for me, guys, so far.